look like?
Damn fool.
What the fuck is this, bro? My saving automatically restarted me, bro. Alright, I'm ready to get carried. That's all it is. This is my first match too, so. Right here, bro.
What?
Alright, it's all you. You recruit later on. Excuse me.
Pink went over there trying to get that card.
What are you talking about?
Oh, we got somebody down here, stronghold.
Alright, you wanna go?
Well, I think there's somebody around this too.
Hey, there's two of my friends inviting me. Shoot a squad up.
Went on rooftop. Damn it.
Hey, there's nobody here. I don't know who you're talking about.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, yeah, on top. Yeah, they just squad up on top.
There's like 3 of them up there.
Copy that.
He's down.
Eh, what the fuck, bro?
Gotta get up.
Hey! The San Fanari, bro. Fresh.
Good shit. Right there, buddy.
Nice, nice. One just landed on top. Wipe them, bro. I'm going crazy. Bro. What did I told you, Dom? What did I told you? Oh, I'm going crazy right now, bro. I team wiped them.
Feel like our teammates are getting killed. You team wipe and shit.
Oh! The whole squad,
Damn it.
new one. New squad in the building. It's all good. I ain't saying
He was
nothing.
going crazy though. Damn.
Look at my stats. Look at my stats, man.
Let me see. Let me see. Okay, I see you. Okay. Okay. I'm 6-piece nugget. I see you. I see you. You got anybody in the lobby?
Yeah, I got 2 guys.
Send them over.
Let's join them.
I said I got 2 guys.
Hey, I'm invite you. Let's wait. I think they're gonna back out. They just start the match. Come on, man. Just back out and pick us up. If they didn't back out for a couple minutes, we'd leave.
Alright.
Wait, let me message them. Yo! Same thing like, yo! Let them know we're here.
I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter. Hey, I be shooting. I be looting. Get the squad. We be booting. Yeah, in the platform. Tell your girl stop. Walk back.
Alright, leave and invite me. Alright, duos. I'm ready for that dub.
Basically just
Yeah. So, let me,
Oh, what happened to you, bro? Are you AFK?
hold on. No, give me, hold on. Let me smoke real quick.
oh yeah, well,
You hear me? Take a little cigarette break. Hold on one sec. I'll come back and pow, 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 pow. Fix your guns up, bro.
Alright.
Fix your guns up, man. Once you get some proximity mines,
Don't be packing.
you'll
I
start
sleep,
wearing
bro.
booby traps, man.
No, don't be back when I'm sleeping, bro, because you're going to take a long ass time. Oh, shit. Where's my sniper friends?
Right.
Oh, what?
Verdansk se regresa oficialmente a Warzone. Y esto es todo lo que necesitas saber.
Get it. You know what? We're gonna try. We're gonna try. This. Alrighty, kid. What you trying to do, bro? Squad up, squad up. Oh, Trivy. I don't know why I'm. I shouldn't be doing that.
Why did it not work?
You want to team up? You want to team up?
Dog shit.
Fuck you then.
I told you I could in the area.
Oh my god. Oh, nice focus. Yo, Golden. Golden. Right, I got somebody.
Yeah, bring it in, bring it in.
Alright, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, he's coming in. I hope he's coming in because we're about to start. Trailer? What is trailer? Yo, Dom, join, bro. Like, you better not text me. He texts me. He said, trailer, bro. I don't know what he's. Trader or trailer, bro. Alright, can we play trios?
Oh, we don't have... Wait, hold on.
Rebirth Island trios. Oh, what do you guys playing? You guys play Battle Royale?
Yeah, because we just run battle royale for not having kill. Mid first for now.
Do you guys win any of the BR?
Yeah.
Damn.
Like 5 for now.
Yo, back out, back out. Yo, go for it. You want
What?
5? You
Yeah.
want 5?
Yeah.
Man, stop playing with me, bro. That camping ass map. People all over that map. Camping, bro.
You know, when they camp, you gotta camp too. So, why not?
Alright,
Not
let's
against
go.
the law of,
I mean, I always trying to be sweaty and then all of a sudden, motherfucker on like 4 of them on one restroom, bro. No, on a restroom. When you try to go and get the steam on that mirror, those motherfuckers like 4 of them, bro. Yo, like, bah! Yo, you fucked up. I encountered that shit so many times, bro. On Battle Royale.
yeah.
Or this one, you run far away and then all of a sudden you dead. Motherfucker snipe your head.
What's this?
Alright, that's
Okay,
Ponapian guy. Right? Uncle?
Okay, okay.
Oh shit. Alright.
so we're like 5 of us now.
Alright, we're gonna
Oh.
go. Fuck, it's gonna feel bad. That's my homie, man. Fuck. We're the one who squad up and play. We're trying to squad up to you guys, but it's alright. Let's go. Islanders, let's go.
I never win any on Rebirth Island, but on
No,
Battle Royale,
stop
yeah.
lying, bro. Are you serious? Rebirth
Yeah,
is so
for real.
easy.
Rebirth is not easy.
Battle Royale is hard as fuck, bro. I always play solo and I run and I all of the sudden die, bro. Motherfucker snipe me all the way back.
Yeah, maybe you get in there.
I think I used to the multiplayer, bro. Cause the map on the multiplayer is just a square, bro.
Well,
Yeah, it's like small maps. Like you can just run all over it and circle the map in fucking what 1 minute something. I'm talking about the maps. Bro, I'm ready, Golden. I'm about to show you what I got. I'm about to shoot. Oh man, I got kicked out. Oh no. Oh no, I'm not.
what?
No, I'm not. I'm good. I'm here.
Man, come on.
I'm here. I'm here.
Nah,
I'm
you
here. Ah! Bro, my hands is so hurt right now.
What's your friend name? Got a bike?
Yeah. Got a mic.
Alright. Be shy.
Oh, give me a follow, brother.
Oh! Fucking guy. No way! That's crazy. Get
Pacific. Yeah, yeah. Pacific. We're from the Pacific. That's why.
Man,
Oh,
that shit.
Pacific.
Why it take so long, bro? You should have backed out. Damn. Fucking shit. How the fuck? Fuck you press again, bro. Oh. Fucking shit, bro.